Welcome back to Morning in America. We're just shy of 9:30 on the East Coast, and we have breaking news for you this morning. A House committee has released former President Trump's tax returns from 2015 through 2020. House Democrats have worked for 6 years to get this done after Trump broke precedent and refused to release his tax history on his own. Tom Dempsey is live in Washington with the nation's most comprehensive look yet at Trump's financial history. Good morning, Tom.
Hey, good morning, Mitch. Yeah, to be crystal clear, really no major revelations tied to these tax returns of former President Donald Trump. But this report released today covers 6 years, 6 different tax returns for the former president from 2015 to 2020. And it does contain some redactions, but that's just to protect things like Social Security numbers and bank account numbers, again, tied to the tax returns. We are expected to learn more specifics, though, about the former president's business dealings tied to these tax returns. And we kind of already got a hint to what's contained in the report today from the report released last week from the House committee that voted to release these tax returns. Among some of the findings, some big changes year to year in former President Donald Trump's income tax and his reported losses, the income taxes tied to investments he made during those years, and the losses tied to real estate deals he made in other business dealings. It's also something that we're going to hear a lot about, following the release today, is how the IRS didn't audit former President Donald Trump in years 2017 and 2018 when he was in office as United States president. And that's, there's a lot of questions following that because there's a mandatory audit program in place for sitting presidents for the IRS right now. So again, that's some of the findings we're finding out right now. The timing of this is obviously very important, with the former president announcing a third bid for the United States presidency earlier this year. And he's, his campaign is going to be ratcheting up in the new year. One thing to also expect from this release later today is the Republicans coming out and accusing Democrats of using tax returns as political weapons. So again, we're still kind of digging through all this, but we did get some hints from that report released by the House committee that voted to release these returns last week, Mitch.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.